This is the C major scale. Now we start with the left hand because it's actually the easiest. That's because we already know the pentascale. Now clearly there are 3 more notes we need to play, but we don't have 3 extra fingers. So we take finger number 3 and bring it over, and the scale is complete. Coming down, remember to put the thumb under right after finger 3, and then complete the pentascale. Here it is again. Notice that I only play the top note once. Now once that seems familiar, start with the right hand. And here we do the 3 fingers right at the outset of the scale. Now I put my thumb under and complete. Bring finger 3 over, and I'm done. Here it is again.